Hello, lovely people. I hope you're all doing well. So, for today, I'm going to share with you how to make that popular street food, waakye. That Hajia special waakye you've been buying. Today, I will be showing you how to achieve that taste. Let's get started. Okay, so these are the simple ingredients you need for this recipe. So the first step is to cook the beans. So I soaked my beans for 3 hours. You can also soak it overnight. This helps the beans to cook faster. So I will wash my waakye leaves and add and allow it to cook. Okay, so after 30 minutes the beans is ready, so I will remove some of the leaves and then I will be adding my sliced onions and then 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. These are great tips from my mom to achieve a nice waakye, but if you don't want, that's fine. So you add your salt to taste and then you wash your rice and then you add water to cook the waakye. The water will depend how soft you want your waakye. I really like my waakye to be soft, so I'll go ahead and add the preferred water. Cover and allow it to cook. Okay, so whilst the waakye is cooking, I will be prepping some things that we will be adding to our waakye. So this is gari, and then I added stew, and then I'll go ahead and mix. Once it's ready, I'll mix with some scallions. You can also use white onion, anything that you prefer to mix with your gari. The next thing I'll be doing is the salad. So I'm chopping some iceberg lettuce and then I'll be adding cucumber, onion, carrot and tomatoes. Then I'll sprinkle with salt and olive oil. So that's how I do my veggies for the waakye. If you don't have lettuce, that's okay. You can substitute with cabbage. Mostly that's what they use on the street for those who sell waakye. Yes, so you can also go for cabbage, but I'm fan of lettuce, so I went for lettuce. Once you're done with all the vegetable, go ahead and add your salt and then olive oil. You can also skip this if you don't want that. It makes your salad very nice. So at this point, I'll go ahead and check my waakye. So all the water has been absorbed. I will remove the leaves and then I'll cover with aluminum foil and allow the steam or the vapor to cook the rice. Please make sure to do this on a low heat so that your waakye will not burn. Okay, so another great thing to add to your waakye is spaghetti or talia. So I'll go ahead and cook some spag. So I added the spag, salt and oil and then I'll give it 7 minutes to cook. Okay, so our talia is ready and then I will just put some cold water and then that's it. Okay, so it's about 10 minutes and then our waakye is also ready. So I will set it aside and then I will start to serve. I have my stew already and then I have my shito done. Yay, the meal is set and then I'm ready to eat. Let me just grab my plate and then show you how this looks like step by step. Let's go. Waakye kakra, and then I'll add talia kakra, wele kakra, kosia kakra, shito kakra. I mean everything some. Yes, that's how to enjoy your waakye. You can also add fried fish, fried meat, yes, anything that you prefer or how you want to enjoy your waakye. You can also add some avocado if you want. Yeah, this food smells so good. Oh my god, I just can't wait to sit down and then start eating. Yes, so it smells so good. Don't forget to use the trick or the method I showed you. My mama taught me well, so I decided to share. Add some onions and then some oil. You will love it. Yes, that is how to get your perfect waakye. But if you don't want, that's fine. People put salt, pita, but I think it's not a great idea. You can go for this one or you can cook without it. You still achieve the best result. Yes, let me add my shito and then start eating. I'll leave you guys here, then I will enjoy. Take note, waakye is best enjoyed with your hand, so I'm using the natural spoon. All right, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and then please share and like. I have more great things for you. God bless you all, and stay tuned for more recipes. Bye bye.